Assalamu alaikum and a lovely, lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are feeling great, amazing, fantastic, and you are full of energy. Why? Because there is another beautiful day in front of us, a beautiful gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which we're going to open to see what is it for us and for others. And we have to distribute so much of the things to all the people around us, like happiness, like smile, like love. So in this beautiful day, we have so much to share with. There is so much to enjoy. So you can have snacks in this lovely weather. You can have coffee. You can have shakes even. So another beautiful day, and we are going to start our day with a lot of energy. And I hope you're doing the exercises, and along with that, you are keeping yourself healthy and taking care of yourselves, right? Yeah, I know you're doing it. That is just a little reminder for you that you should um, know. Yeah, I know you already know that. That's just a little reminder to again remind you to recall that if you're forgetting somewhere, sometime, so you're not going to do that, right? Okay, that is great. So we are going to start our day today with the literacy class, right? So in our literacy class, we have done alphabets, we have done tracing, we have done writing, and we've done words as well, right? We did two-letter words, and we did three-letter words as well. So we are going to continue with that because we need to learn more and more and more words. So that will be added in our vocabulary. And when we will talk, we will have so much of the words in the brain. So we know which fits in where and where you are going to use that. Okay. So we're going to do today three-letter words. So three-letter words are, they are also known as CVC words. Yeah, you all know that. We have done that before as well. CVC words means consonant, vowel, consonant, right? There are three letters, so they are consonant, vowel, consonant. Yes, three-letter words which contain two consonant and one vowel. That can be any of the five vowels. Do you remember the five vowels? A, E, I, O, U, right? There are five vowels, and out of these five vowels, we can make a lot and a lot and a lot of three-letter words, right? So, and though they are made of like two consonant and one vowel, and vowel comes in the middle, right? So that's why this is called CVC. Clear to you? Okay, that's great. So, and they're all like three-letter words, so we're going to do that today. The three-letter words. Okay, so we are going to start, right? And you know that to start with, we write that on our board. Our board got a little messed up, but no problem. Okay. So CVC words, that is consonant, consonant, and there's a vowel in the middle. Yes, there's a vowel in the middle. The vowel can be A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we are going to start writing. Okay, so we will do these like we're going to make them, and then we will practice them and on the book. Okay, okay, that's great. So as I told you, there are CVC words, and there is a vowel just in between the two alphabets, right? So we're going to start that. Let's say we're going to start it with. Okay, before that, I must show you something, right? Before I go there, I just want you to have a look at this picture. I hope you can see this, right? Okay, I will just try to. Yes. Okay. Now, see, there are a couple of three-letter words. See, they are all three-letter words, and they are CVC words. Now, you are going to have a look at this. That why are they called CVC words? I've told you. And now look at the first CVC. That is M-A-T, mat. The second is M-A-N, man, right? B-A-G, bag, and C-A-B, cab, right? Mat, man, bag, cab, right? So there, in all of these four words, there is a in between. The vowel a is in between, and that is making, connecting these two consonants to make a word, right? So now, the third line. Now, P-E-T, pet, P-E-T, pet, P-E-N, pen, right? Now we have E to join these two consonants to make a word, pet and pen. If we have P and N, we can make a lot of words by just adding the vowels in that. Okay, I'm just going to show you. Now then, W-E-B, web, and F-E-D, fed, web, fed. Then W-I-N, win, and W-I-G, wig, right? That's great. So I'm going to show you another picture. Okay. Now, they are all the words that that are the vowel we have used is only A, right? Now, have a look at this. Now, A is in the middle of all these words, right? Cab, C-A-B, cab. H-A-T, hat. D-A-D, dad. M-A-N, man. Fat, rat. Sat, bag. Can, map, cap, and ham, right? So this is what we call CVC words. There are two consonants and there is one vowel, but the vowel always comes in between, right? So vowels comes always in between. So we are going to do the exercise, right, in which you will have to fill that. Okay, so I'm going to give you that. But before that, let's say I'm just going to give you an example. I have P and I have N, right? These are the two consonants. Two consonants. Now we are going to put we're going to put all the vowels in them, and then let's see how many words we can make, right? Okay, now first of all, A. If we write A over here, this is going to make, sorry, I will write it down, right? P-A-N, pan. That's great. Okay. Now we will keep this P and N. Okay. A-E. See, we have made another word just adding the other vowel, right? P-E-N, pen, right? P-E-N, pen. Okay. Now, if we're going to erase this, now we're going to write I. We have made another word, right? And this is P-I-N, pin. Wow, that is lovely. We have two consonants and only changing the vowels. And by just changing the vowel, we are making the new words. Okay, right. So we've made pan, we have made pen, and we have made pin, right? Okay, so this is how you are going to do that. Okay, so we are going to do a little of the exercise in our book, and for that you need to take out our book alphabet fun book, but that is N to Z, the capital N to Z, not the small N to Z, this one, the capital N to Z with the blue dino and the blue book. Okay, yes, all of you take out your alphabet fun book. All right, that's great. Okay, you are going to take out page number 81. Yes, page number 81. Yes, all of you, please take out page number 81. What can you see on page number 81? There are a lot of pictures, right? Yes, there are a lot of pictures that you can see on page number 81. Yes, okay. And these are the pictures you know already, right? Very common pictures which you already know. So we're just going to have a look at this page. We have a couple of pictures, right? Now, what is this? Bat. And this dog. No, this is not a cat. Fox, yes. Bed. Net. Pot. Bug. Map. And hat. Log. Hat. Okay, that's great. So that means you all know these pictures. You can recognize the pictures very easily and you know the words, right? So this is a very simple exercise. It's very easy and you can enjoy that, right? So you can do start that. So on this page, if you can see, I'll look at the page. Yes. If you have a look at the page, there is only given the consonants. Yeah. On this page, they've only given the consonants. Now we have to put a vowel to make it a word. Yes, we have to put a vowel to make it a word. But that word will be the picture. Whatever which we have just done the exercise of checking the names of the picture, we are only going to write that, okay, name, right? For example, I'm just going to give you an example. If you look at the first picture, what is that? Yes, a bat with which you play what? Yeah, you play cricket with that. Oh wow, that's really nice. Okay, so this is bat. Now they have given two consonants, and what are those? B and D. B and D. Right? Yes, they have given two consonants, B and T. Now the picture says bat. The picture says bat. Now bat, right? Now what do you think you're going to fill in here? Which vowel you're going to fill in here to make it a word? Bat, bat. B, yes, you're going to write here A. That is lovely. Okay, so you're going to write here A. So you're going to write here capital A, right? Now the small one because they have given the big letters over here. So we are going to write the big letter over here, right? Okay, now the next picture is net. Yes, that's good. So they have given us N, and D, right? D, net, net, net. No, not A. If it will be A, that will be nat. So this is net. Yes. Yes, that's great. So we are going to fill in here with the vowel E. That is great. So that is going to make the word net. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now what is this? And. And. Okay. No, we are going to do here. Yes, dog. Right? Dog. D and G. D and G. Right? D and G. So this is dog. Dog. Right? Dog. So what will come over here? Yes. Oh, that is great. That is great. So what is this? Fox. Ox. Fox. Fox. Dog. What will come over here? Yes. Oh, that is great. Then bed, bed, net, bed, net, bed. Yes, E. You're going to write here E. Quickly write E over here. That's great. Okay. Now after net, pot, 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 dog, pot. Oh, yes. You're going to write here. Oh, that's great. Okay. Bug, 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 bug. No, not a. If you're going to write a here, that will be bag. This is bug, ug, you. That's great. So you're going to write here you. Then app, app, map. Right, that's great. So b a. Okay, that's great. So you're going to write here a. That's great. So we have made bat, dog, fox, bed, net, pot, bug, and map. Right? Okay, now these four you're going to do as your homework. Page number 81, the last row you're going to do as your homework. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this activity. It's really fun to make the CVC words, to make the 3-letter words. So I really enjoyed that, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. So we are going to make them again and again, to make with all the vowels, to have fun and create new and new and new and new words, right? So you also practice it at home, making new words by looking at the things in your home and thinking about like new words. Try making new words with the consonant and the vowels, right? So try making 3-letter words. So you're going to practice that. Okay, so this was a literacy class today in which we have done 3-letter words, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So I'm going to see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have, because we should always, every single time, we should be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us so much which we know, and there is so much we don't even know about. So be grateful for all of these things. So I'm going to say goodbye. So till we see each other, I'm going to say bye bye and Allah Hafiz.